Okay, looks like we have connection. 3, 2, 1, go. 459, going for that mobile goal in autonomous. Let's see what they can do. That's gonna count. That's gonna be the autonomous bonus right there. For red, 3, 2, 1, teleop. All right, remember, if your robot hasn't moved, you can turn it on and off. You can try to reconnect. There we go. 5678T is able to move now. We got all 4 robots motion on the field. Here comes 459 trying to score on the static goal. Having a little bit of struggle. Looks like they got the advantage right now in the mobile goals. 1718E is going to try to add a few more. Here they go. Mobile goal, 10 points. Nice work by the Red Alliance so far. A lot of good scoring. Both sides were able to move the mobile goal. We got some defense going on. Okay, we're about to get to the 30-second mark, and there's the sound for 30 seconds. Let's see what we can do here. 459 is able to score a stack. All right, we're down to 15 seconds. Wow, look at that, 459 using their crazy mechanism. And they get the parking bonus. Very nice job. It's pretty interesting scoring right there. That is one of the most unique mechanisms I've seen so far this season.